your hands up and freeze. I'm from Punjab police.
One thing I'm for sure, buddy.